Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So before I get into the Southwest opportunity, I did want to bring you some bonus opportunities. We have some opportunities with paid training, internet stipend. They have college education assistance there's an opportunity where you get to set your own schedule and get paid weekly. It's a non-phone opportunity, and the pay for the jobs are up to about 60, so it's about $63 an hour. That's up to about that amount. So I have a range up to about that amount. So these jobs can be lower than that, and they can be to about the 64, 63. So I just wanted to make sure I explain that. So it's earn up to, not saying every job is going to earn that, but let's get into the video. The first company that we have is from a company called Tilster, and you can do a Google search to find them. They're looking for a data entry reporting specialist. Okay. Now with this position, it is a full-time entry level position, and you have to be in the United States. It says remote, but must live in the United States, preferably East Coast. When they say preferably, they're saying they would prefer for you to live in the East Coast area, but it doesn't mean that you have to. It does not say required. It says preferred. So still apply for this position even if you're not in the East Coast. Okay. They're looking for someone who is detail oriented, dedicated data entry. I know some people say data, and reporting specialist to join our team. In this role, you will support our account management team by accurately entering and maintaining data, okay, running reports and ensuring high quality data for multiple clients. This role requires strong attention to detail, organizational skills, and occasional direct communication with franchises or corporate offices to verify and clarify information. Okay, here are some of the other things that you'll be doing. You can go ahead and read over that. As far as qualifications, 1+ year of proven experience in data entry or related field, preferably in a client-focused environment, strong attention to detail and commitment to data accuracy. Make sure that you know Microsoft Excel and other reporting types of tools. As far as they want you to make a difference in the Tilster way is their little joke there. Here is their interview process as far as what it takes, as far as what you're going to be doing, as far as the interview process, interviewing with a talent acquisition specialist, and then you do your interview with the accounting manager, and then you have a final interview with their leader of account management. So you'll have 3 different interviews with this. Okay. Now with this one, the pay is up to about $31.25 per hour, or they say between 50 to 65K annualized base salary plus benefits. Here are some of the other benefits that they offer. They do have like some college tuition and education assistance. They do have Udemy learning courses and ongoing learning and development opportunities, which is really, really good. To be able to continue to learn and make your resume better. I did want to point out, whenever you are applying for these jobs, please tailor your jobs to the position that you're applying for. Do not use the same resume for every job that you apply for. You want to make sure that you change it to make sure that it's tailored to that specific job, because that might be one of the factors why you may not be getting hired or getting interviews, is because your resume is not aligned, is not how it should be. It's not tailored to the position that you're doing. You're using the exact same resume for every single job, and you don't want to do that. So make sure that you tailor your resume to the specific job. The next company that we have is CVS Health. You can go to jobs.cvshealth.com. They're looking for a medical claims adjuster. Now with this position, you review and adjust self-funded and fully insured reinsurance and or RX claims. Educates, I cannot talk, guys. Educates complex sensitivity and or specialized claims in accordance in claims processing guidelines. Process providers refunds and return checks. May handle customer service inquiries or in problems. Okay. Here are some of the other things that you'll be doing, like performing adjustments across all dollar amounts levels on customer service platforms by technical and claims processing expertise, and much more. I'm not sure if this one is a phone job. Oh, you do. This is a phone one. You do handle telephone and written inquiries related to requests. So you will be using the phone on this position. Here are some of the different requirements. 2+ years of medical claims processing experience. Here are some preferred but not required. Education, associate's degree or equivalent experience. So you can either have an associate or have some experience. So either or. For this one, the pay is up to about $35.29 an hour, and they have some other great benefits. This position will be closing on December 13th. I am recording this and it will be out on November 25th. So make sure you go ahead and jump on this opportunity. The next company we have is called Cedar. You can go to cedar.com and they're looking for a patient advocate call center position. With this position, you serve as the liaison between the patients and the healthcare provider, supporting their patients through the following channels like live chats, phones, email communications. Okay. In addition, patient advocates act as account managers to holistically manage the medical billing process and anticipate potential billing issues. Okay. You'll be doing like 60 to 80 incoming and outbound patient calls daily regarding medical bills and things like that. Here are some of the different skills they're looking for: 2 to 3 years of customer service experience via phone or call center, and some of these other different types of recording systems. Also being proficient in Google suites like, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and things like that. This is a fully remote position, and as a result will require access to a nice private space. The pay is about $19.47, and it has an asterisk by it. That's subject to location, experience, and education. They do have their other types of benefits that they offer here. You can see here a chance to improve the U.S. healthcare system at a high growth company. Our leading medical healthcare financial platform is scaling rapidly, helping millions of patients per year. And here are some of the different types of benefits that they do offer and things like that, and information about the company. So if you're interested in Cedar, make sure you check out Cedar. The next company we have is called College Board, and you can just Google search on all the companies that I talk about. But they're looking for a customer care specialist. This is a fully remote position. Now, with this position, you'll handle most times sensitive and escalate issues, and is known for delivering high quality customer service to students, parents, and educational participating in the College Bound program. There's much more that you'll be doing. I'm not going to go over everything. This is like 75% of it. You'll be providing exceptional customer service. By handling different types of calls and things like that. About 25% will be complete special projects and continuous improvement. And then this is what they're looking for you to have: about 3 to 5 years of customer service experience managing customer escalations and high volume customer service operation. This is required. And here are some of the other things. I did see here that it does say the ability to travel 4 to 6 times a year to college bound offices and or vendors. College degree is preferred but not required. And here are some of the other benefits that they do offer. The pay is up to about $58,000 a year. They do offer some tuition assistance and things like that, and other types of bonuses. They do have like their different annual bonuses and things like that. So if you're interested in College Board, I keep wanting to say College Board, make sure you check out their customer care specialist. And also for all the other companies, when you see this video, just in case the position has been filled, check the companies again to see if they have any other jobs as well. So make sure you bookmark the companies just in case they don't have anything for you. The next company we have is called MultiCare, and they're looking for a credit resolution specialist. This is a full-time United States position, a Monday through Friday shift, about at 8 a.m. to about 5. Now with this position, you'll be doing researching like billing and payment posting issues initiated by their patients, the insurance carriers, or others, and notifies customers of findings of accordance with department policies and procedures. The requirement: you need 2 years of post-high school education is preferred, a minimum of 2 years of work experience in insurance, billing, accounting, accounts payable, accounting, or patient access and healthcare environment. Here's more information about the why you would want to work with this company, about who they are. As far as the pay and benefits, it's up to about $32.72 an hour. And it depends on a whole bunch of different factors. They do have like their benefit packages with like, medical, dental, and things like that. So if you're interested in MultiCare, make sure you check them out. The next company we have is called Omni Interactions. You can go to omniinteractions.com. And with this company, you're like an independent contractor. That's pretty much what you are, because you can work from home, obviously, because this is remote jobs, but you get to set your own schedule and own your back your time. Okay. So here is the application process of how long it takes as far as creating your profile. You complete a questionnaire and assessment, Check your email to see if you get any invites to join your contracts. Pick a contract and sign up, and then you'll complete all contracts required within a certain amount of time. They have different types of positions currently right now that are going to be starting next month, December 16th. They have a tax product customer support position. They have with this one you get it's like an on-demand certification. They have a small business 1099 customer support position. They have a $700 incentive, and that one starts December 16th as well. The pay is about $16 an hour. They have a work from home customer service rep. That one's a contractor role. And then they have a Spanish bilingual work from home customer service rep position. Okay, so you can go ahead and read or watch these videos to see what people are saying. Here's more information about the company, like the process and things like that you want to find out. I'm not going to go over every job. I just wanted to share that with you. You can go up here to go through like the frequently asked questions, like location as far as the types of jobs that they have. Join their wait list if there's a wait on the job. And here's where you would start. Click here to start here. Then you can start the process of what it takes. They give you like how to apply, the gig registration, the biggest mistake, the 4 reasons to join, and things like that. I would prefer that you would go over that just so you can get an idea what the customer requires. Here's like their customer or like their computer requirements. Sorry guys, I'm talking a little too fast for myself. Computer, like the technology part, as far as type of computer you need and things like that, the high-speed internet you need, and the peripheral devices that you will need. Okay, these requirements may vary depending on different contractors. So some of them you may need it, some of them you may not, just depends. Learn from our YouTube playlist to ace the process, unlock the secrets of successful applications, and set yourself apart. Tutorials start step-by-step guides, insider tips and tricks on how to learn the common mistakes to avoid. Tune in now and become a contract superstar with Omni. Okay, so this will teach you like how to ace the process and what you need to be able to work with Omni Interactions. So make sure you check out this information. The next company we have is called 3Play Media, and you will be a contractor with 3Play Media. With this one, you earn paychecks, weekly paychecks, working remotely from home, providing captioning and transcript type of work. You can work as a English transcriptioner, a Spanish transcriptioner, or you can apply to be an English voice writer. Okay, depending on which one you are interested in. This is the one for English. And then what you'll do is read over all this information, and then you will go ahead and click here to go ahead and apply. Here's the Spanish, and then here is the English voice writer position and what the qualifications is for this one. Depending on which one you choose, this one right here, you must be 18 years of age. You go ahead and click on here, and then it will give you more information as far as what you need to do. Okay, it says thank you for interest in being a transcriptor with 3Play Media. You'll go ahead and see you can work from home. Obviously, you earn weekly paychecks and you create your own schedule. So you'll be able to create your own schedule. And this is just tells you about the role as far as what you'll need for the best result. Complete your application on the computer, how long it will take. You'll receive an email. Here's information as far as what you need. This is for 3Play Media will obtain a background check for all the US based applicants. It's not saying whether or not you would have to pay for that background check. So that is something you will find out. Usually they'll have like a frequently asked questions to kind of tell you whether or not you would have to pay for it. I would usually, most of the time, they'll have it like right then and there. They'll tell you that you have to pay for it as far as for it to be a transcriptionist or a English voice writer. So if you're interested in 3Play Media, you can go to 3playmedia.com if you're someone who's interested in doing some captioning or transcription work, where it allows you to pick your own hours and allows you to get paid weekly. Make sure you check out 3Play Media. I did want to bring up FEMA is still hiring. I've been talking about FEMA. Let me go back to their main page. FEMA right now has 3 jobs. Now, 2 of the jobs is going to end today. Okay, so make sure you jump on them, which is the emergency management specialist, the environmental protection specialist, and then this one here, the supervisory emergency management specialist, closes on November 27th. So today is the 25th, so you have 2 days for this one before it closes, and then these 2 close today. Okay, they say they want to get at least 100 applicants. I've been talking about this on my channel, I think last week or the week before last, and they're still looking for people. So if you are interested, make sure that you check out FEMA. You can go to FEMA.org, or you can go to usjobs.gov, and then you can just type in remote at the top. And then, or you can put in the agency FEMA, and then it'll take you over to the different types of jobs. These jobs pay really good. One of them pays up to about 134, almost 135K a year, which is where I'm getting the $64 an hour situation there. There's some is pays up to, they're in the six figures. Okay. So make sure you check out these FEMA jobs. Now into the Southwest opportunity. It is a customer support and service. You can go to careers.southwestair.com, and with this position, you'll be a customer. You'll be using the telephone to provide information regarding fares, schedules, routes. Routes. I know everybody says it different. Flights and space availability for upcoming travel opportunities are available to support our English and Spanish speaking customers. Okay, so their benefits: the starting pay is about $17.95 an hour with an opportunity for overtime and shift pickups. You fly for free on any open seat on all domestic Southwest flights. You're eligible dependents fly too. You have up to 9.3% of 401k, company match dollar to dollar per paycheck. Then you have like your profit sharing and things like that. You can go ahead and scroll all the way down just to get a little bit more information about the company, their culture and things like that. Here are some of the other things that that you're able to do. So make sure you check out this. For starters, right here it says you must currently reside in one of the following states to be eligible to work with them remotely. Okay, Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, Minneapolis, and so much more. So this list is subject to change, they state. So maybe they might have an opportunity where they might put your state on there. Don't be discouraged. Just make sure that you keep checking. Here are some of the different qualifications that you need. Education. Let's get ready. Here's information as far as their training. It's going to be like in a classroom setting. And much more. They do offer you a monthly internet stipend that you can check out as well. And here are some of their frequently asked questions as far as the company. So make sure that you check out careers.southwestair.com. Hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure that you check out my blog in the description down below for other positions, just in case these positions have been filled, or if the positions don't work for you. Please subscribe. Please make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to get these jobs when they pop up, so you don't miss out. There's a lot of people that are going for these jobs, so you want to make sure that you're get that notification so you can jump on these positions. Hopefully this video was helpful, and I hope you have a blessed day. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.